name is Dia. I'm from Columbus, Indiana. I've been a Peterman customer for approximately 5 months. Back in November, I noticed some stuff coming out of this empty pipe in my backyard, and after a while I noticed there was toilet paper coming out. So I started thinking maybe this is not the best thing that we should be having. So there was people showering in my house, and I noticed active water coming out of this pipe. So I decided we should probably do something about this. Finally, I noticed Peterman online, so I called and immediately got a hold of somebody. She said, I can have somebody down there within the hour. I said, excellent. So about an hour later, Ed Boyd, who was amazing, 5-star customer service, definitely. The whole time he was there, he talked to us like we were actual people. I never felt stupid when he was there. Any questions we had, he answered immediately and very nicely. And he actually conversed with us like we were friends and explained everything again in layman's terms, and we understood. And he asked if we had any questions, answered all of them, and he gave us the news that we needed a new main sewer line and replaced all of it with brand new PVC, spanking new, beautiful pipe that'll last for a long time. We have a 20-year warranty on it, which was one of our selling points. Amazing. I'm going to live in my house for at least another 20 years, so that'll be awesome. I would highly recommend this company to anybody who needs any plumbing done or heating and cooling, even though I didn't use them for that. I guarantee they're the same way all the way around. I am glad I chose Peterman, and you should too.